You see them in class, the ones who always seem prepared, calm, and get the best grades. You wonder how they do it. While you're pulling all-nighters, they're getting consistent results. This isn't magic. It's not about being born smarter. It's about a system. Most students are drowning in disorganization, trying to juggle notes, assignments, and deadlines in their head. This leads to stress, procrastination, and mediocre results. You know the feeling, the constant overwhelm, the fear of missing something important. It's time to stop guessing and start winning. Look at your current study habits. Are they working for you, or are they holding you back? Are you constantly reacting to deadlines instead of planning ahead? Many students waste precious time searching for notes, trying to remember due dates, or feeling lost in a sea of information. This isn't just inefficient, it's mentally exhausting. You feel that anxiety, that nagging doubt that you're not doing enough. Top students don't live like this. They have a clear, actionable plan. It's time you did too. No one is going to organize your academic life for you. This is your responsibility. The success you want in your studies, the grades you deserve, depend on the systems you put in place. Stop making excuses about being too busy or too overwhelmed. This is about taking control. It means building a framework that supports your goals, not hinders them. You can transform your academic chaos into a smooth, efficient flow. It's time to learn how top students organize their studies in 4 simple steps. Here are the 4 essential steps top students use to organize their studies and dominate their academic life. Step 1. Centralize your entire academic universe. Stop scattering your information across different apps, notebooks, and sticky notes. Top students use one central hub for everything: courses, assignments, exams, notes, and deadlines. This eliminates mental clutter and ensures you always know where to find what you need. When everything is connected, you gain clarity and control. Step 2. Proactive planning, not reactive cramming. Top students don't wait for deadlines to hit. They map out their entire semester from day 1. They schedule study blocks, assignment work, and exam preparation well in advance. This proactive approach reduces stress and prevents last-minute panic. To make this process simple and effective, the Flux's Student Planner, the free version, provides a clear, intuitive space to track all your assignments, due dates, and course progress. It's designed to keep you ahead of the curve. Get it for free using the link below. Step 3. Implement a daily review and prep routine. Every single day, top students take 10 to 15 minutes to review what they accomplished and prepare for the next day. They check off tasks, identify priorities, and mentally prepare for upcoming lectures or study sessions. This small habit builds incredible momentum and ensures you start each day with purpose. It's about consistent, small wins. Step 4. Leverage a comprehensive academic operating system. For ultimate organization and efficiency, top students don't just use a planner, they use a full academic operating system. This integrates all aspects of their student life, from note-taking to project management, habit tracking, and exam prep, into one powerful, interconnected system. This is how they turn academic chaos into flow. The Flux's Student Operating System is precisely this tool. It's a complete Notion workspace designed to manage your entire academic life, helping you ace exams, master your time, and reduce stress. It's the unfair advantage that allows you to focus on learning, not just organizing. You can find the link to get it below. These aren't just tips. These are the habits of academic champions. Implement these 4 steps and you will stop feeling overwhelmed, start learning more effectively, and achieve the grades you truly deserve. Your academic success is a choice. Make it now. If this challenged you, subscribe to the channel for more direct study advice. Hit the notification bell to get your next wake-up call.